Hello and welcome to this Magic Kitchen training video. In this video we will review the instructions on how to use the new Magic Kitchen Griddle Calibration tool. When you order part number B8800201, you get a 3-switch calibration box with an approximate 2 foot of wire and spade connections at the end. You also get a written instruction booklet. You should always get in the habit of testing your calibration tool prior to each use to be sure of its accuracy. With all switches in the off position, you should read OL on your ohm meter. With the 350 degree switch on, you should read between 1673 and 1689 ohms. With the 400 degree switch on, you should read between 1775 and 1792 ohms. With the 450 degree switch on, you should read between 1876 and 1894 ohms. To start, turn on one of the switches to verify you have power and gas. The pilot and burner should light if the knob is turned up past the current temperature of the griddle plate. You can use this calibration tool on a hot and or cold griddle. Remove the grease drawer completely and set aside. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding on the 2 front panels. Remove the 2 panels and set these aside. Next, remove the 4 screws that hold the control panel in place. Remove the 4 5/16" screws that hold the front panel on and carefully lower the panel. Careful not to damage any of the wiring, lights, or switches in the process. Locate the temp probe wires going to the back side of the solid state controls. These should be light brown colored wires with female spade connections at the controls. 2 wires per control. Start left to right or right to left, and only unplug wires to one controller at a time so that you do not mix up the temp probe wires with the wrong controllers. Remove the temp probe wires from one of the controls and attach your calibration tool wires to the same terminals you removed the temp probe wires from. It does not matter what wires go to what terminal. Flip the control panel back into the upright position. Turn the control knobs to have all the controls under 300 degrees. Turn the power switch on for the controller that you are trying to calibrate. The pilot should light, but the burner should not turn on. Put the switch on the calibration tool for 350 degrees into the on position. The burner should not turn on. Rotate the knob up in temperature until the burners turn on. The pointer on the knob should be pointed at 350 degrees when the burners turn on. If the burner turns on properly at 350 degrees, turn the switch on the calibration tool off and turn on the 400 degree Fahrenheit switch. Rotate the knob to verify the burner turns on when the pointer on the knob reaches 400 degrees. If so, turn the switch off and repeat the process for the 450 degree switch. If the burner turns on correctly with each of the 3 temperatures, your controller is calibrated and you can move on to the next controller. Repeat the testing steps with each of the remaining controllers. If the burner does not turn on at the correct temperature, remove the black cap from the knob. Hold the knob tight and use a 5/16" nut driver to loosen the nut under the cap. Rotate the knob so that the pointer points at the desired temperature and retighten the nut. Once you get the knob set correctly, replace the cap, making sure the white lines are aligned with each other. This calibration tool can only be used on gas or electric units with solid-state controls. This is not to be used to calibrate any piece of equipment with a cap and bulb style thermostat. For electric units, monitor the closing or energizing of the heat demand contactor, or use an amp meter to view the amp draw instead of the burners turning on and off as with the gas units.